Hello students, welcome to our Neet Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about Neet previous year question. So this is part 19 series. So in that series we are going to discuss about the extraction of gold and silver which involves the leaching with Cn minus ion. That means it's a cyanide process. Okay, and also we will discuss about the electrophile, how it is, what is the charge of it, and also how it is a neutral or it is a partially positive or negative. Okay, we will discuss about the electrophile also today. So, okay, before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so let's go to the first question. The question is, extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn minus ion. Okay, first the reaction is extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn minus ion. The silver is later recovered by these reactions. So we have to find the correct reaction. Through this reaction only we are going to recover the silver here. So that particular reaction we have to find out. Got it? So for that, see this question, extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn minus ion. That means KCN or NaCN, any other that particular compound we have to take for this reaction. Correct? So let this cyanide process. I said no, the question is belongs to the cyanide process. So in that reaction only the silver and gold is extracted through this NaCN. Got it? So for this reaction process, the silver I have taken here because in that question we are going to recover the silver here. Correct? So 4 moles of Ag plus 8 moles of NaCN. Because of my Cn minus ion, I have taken 8 moles of NaCN here. Okay, so that only Cn can coordinate with the silver. Okay, so then only you will get a product of silver product, no complex product. So that I have taken a NaCN here plus 2H2O plus O2. This is the basic combination for the cyanide process, and through the leaching you will get a complex of 4 NaAgCN twice. That means it is a water soluble compound, sodium dicyanoargentate. Okay, sodium dicyano, right? Dicyanoargentate is there. Okay, then you got a side product of sodium hydroxide. Got it? So you got it. So this compound is a final product. Then see this question again here. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn minus ion. That we have done. We got a complex also. That is soluble sodium dicyano. What is that? Argentate, right? So after that, silver is later recovered, right? Later here recovered by these reaction. So if you see this option, liquefaction is possible here? No. Distillation also H2O will be added. That's it. So zone refining also no. So displacement with zinc. Okay, if you see this question, later silver is recovered. So that means it could be a reducing agent has been used or displacement reaction will be correct. So that only you will get a silver as a main product. Okay, that means it's a recovered by the reducing agent. Okay, so let's check with the zinc here. That means fourth option, displacement of zinc. Here they have mentioned, no? Right, let's go. And the final product we got, no, what we have got here, soluble sodium dicyanoargentate. So that I have taken here with zinc. It is a cheapest reducing agent. It is a displacement reaction. So what is happening? Displacement mean instead of this it will displace zinc. Correct? So what you got the product Na2 zinc. Okay, instead of Ag zinc and Cn4. Okay, so this is the complex you will get plus 2Ag. 2Ag is there no here. So 2Ag is recovered. Okay, by this displacement reaction. So we got the answer. So the correct option is fourth option, displacement with zinc is the correct option here. Got it? Okay. Let's go to the second question, that is the correct statement regarding the electrophile is. Okay, we have to find out the correct statement for the electrophile. Okay, what is mean by electrophile? Okay, what is mean by electrophile? Electrophile, it's a or a atom or molecule known to be a neutral and it carry a partial or positive charge is simply you can say like electrophile. It's a, see, it has a positive charge, that you know, correct? So see this picture here. So electrophile or atoms or molecules known to be a neutral. Okay, when it's going to be a neutral, when it is having a incomplete octet state. Okay, it's having a incomplete octet state means, so what happened, it need an electron. Okay, then only it going to get a stable state of octet state. Okay, if it is an incomplete octet state means it is to be a neutral, correct? So that words they are going to say electrophile or atoms or molecule known to be a neutral when it is having a incomplete octet state. Okay, whether it is a 7 or 6, 2 electron need for 6 electron to complete into the octet state. If it is a 7 electron is there in the particular atom, they need one electron to make into octet state. So these are the example you can say, right? So usually it carry a partial or fully positive charge when it is lost electron. Okay, it will lost electron. While it's lost electron, no, it will carry a fully, otherwise partially a positive charge, correct? So example you can tell like Lewis acid, otherwise it include Br plus, Cl plus and CH3. Neutral compound they have given here CH3 and Cl having a plus charge, no, here Br also having a plus charge. So you know what is the electrophile here, correct? So see this picture also. See here I have given some example picture. Br bond Br here, it's reacting with FeBr3. So what is happening, it's get charged. Here the electrons are moved here, so there is electron deficiency is happening in the bromine. So it gets a charge of plus and here the electrons are gained by Fe, correct? So here the electron will come, so minus, here plus. Okay, before that it was neutral. Okay, here now it's got a plus charge. Plus charge, while it is having a plus charge, no, this is called what it is, electrophile. Okay, so that's what. Now come to the option here. Okay, then only you can understand what is the statement, correct statement for the electrophile. So electrophile is a negatively charged species and can form the bond by accepting pair of electron from the nucleophile. They said electrophile is negatively charged. In the first itself, it is a wrong answer, correct? Electrophile is a positively charged, no, correct? So it is a wrong statement. We have to find out the correct statement, no? So let's go to the next option. Electrophile is negatively charged species and can form the bond by accepting a pair of electron from another electrophile. From electrophile to electrophile they are accepting, they are saying. Okay, so this is also wrong answer because they have mentioned here negatively charged species. So this is also wrong. What about third option, electrophile or generally neutral species and can form a bond, right, by accepting a pair of electron from the nucleophile. They have said here, yes, electrophile or neutral species. Yes, we have seen here. What we have seen here, it is a neutral when it is having an incomplete octet state, right? Otherwise it carry a partial, what is that, partial positive charge, otherwise fully positive charge when it is lost electron, correct? So these are we already have understand, right? So here the electrophile or generally they have mentioned here, but we know whether it is a neutral, otherwise it's going to be a plus charge, that means positive charge. Okay, but here they have mentioned and generally neutral species and can form a accepting a pair of electrons. So this is the wrong answer. So what about the electrophile? The fourth option, electrophile can be either neutrophile or positively charged. So this is correct, no? See here, whether it is a neutral or positively charged, both also correct. Okay, species and can form a bond by accepting a pair of electron from the nucleophile. Okay, electrophile always wanted the electron and go into the octet state. Always they wanted to become stable. So They always want an electron. It's carry a positive charge. Whether the electron will come, it will gain. What happened? Right? It can form a bond and accepting a pair of electron from the nucleophile. Okay, so the fourth option is a correct answer for this question. So correct statement regarding electrophile is fourth option. Okay. Okay, students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. Okay, so let's see in the next videos. Till that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, thank you.